Today I'm making a small batch of 9 candles using glass jars that are 4 inches tall with a diameter of 3.25 inches. First, for every jar I start with cleaning and disinfecting. For that, I use a bottle of rubbing alcohol and I spray each container 2 to 3 times before using a small towel to wipe them down. What this does is essentially remove any dirt or small fabric that can mess with the candle making process, but it also sanitizes the jars. Once that process is done, I move on to labeling the bottom of each candle jar with a warning sticker. This explains the proper ways of burning a candle, along with ways to prevent a fire hazard and other injuries that comes with burning a candle. Although it is not mandated, it is a great way I keep my customers informed and safe. Next is using wig stickers to safely secure each wig to the bottom of their container. There are several different kinds, but I found that I like using these specific ones for their stickiness and the fact that they are very invisible. I individually stick a wig on every wig sticker, making sure to apply pressure so the wig tab itself is stuck onto the wig sticker. I recommend testing out different kinds of wig stickers because some are better for higher temperatures while others may burn, melt, and not even be sticky enough to hold your wigs in place. When done, I flip the line of wigs upside down to ensure that they're fully secured. Then on to removing them from the roll and sticking them to the bottom of each candle container. For that, since I've been making candles for years, I like to eyeball the measurements, but there are centering tools that can be used to help beginner candle makers with being accurate and making sure the wicks are spaced correctly and evenly so each candle can look better while also burning at the proper rate. After all, no one wants to spend money on a lopsided candle that burns unevenly. So experiment for yourself and your future customers because the better the product, the happier the customer. And the last step in the jar prepping is using wig holders to hold the wigs in place when I start pouring my wax. Stay tuned for step 2 on the candle making process.